Are you nervous about renting a car in English? Don't worry. Today, I'm giving you the 100 must-know words and sentences to handle any rental desk with total confidence. Let's get started. Rental. Rental. I need a rental car today. License. License. Please show your driver's license. Insurance. Insurance. Does the insurance cover theft? Tank. Tank. The fuel tank is full. Manual. Manual. This car has a manual gearbox. Brake. Brake. Use the brake to stop slowly. Mirror. Mirror. Adjust the side mirror before driving. Spare. Spare. Check for a spare tire now. Trunk. Trunk. Put your bags in the trunk. GPS. GPS. Use the GPS for better directions. Contract. Contract. Please sign the rental contract here. Refund. Refund. Can I get a full refund? Airport. Airport. The rental desk is at the airport. SUV. SUV. We need a large SUV today. Tire. Tire. The front tire needs some air. Battery. Battery. The car battery is completely dead. Wiper. Wiper. Turn on the windshield wiper now. Key. Key. Here is your electronic car key. Passenger. Passenger. Every passenger must wear a seat belt. Route. Route. Choose the fastest route to London. If you find this video helpful, please like the video, leave a comment below, and subscribe to my channel for more content. Seat belt. Seat belt. Fasten your seat belt before you drive. Dashboard. Dashboard. Check the icons on the dashboard. Engine. Engine. The engine makes a strange noise. Clutch. Clutch. Press the clutch to change gears. Pedal. Pedal. Push the gas pedal very gently. Horn. Horn. Do not use the horn here. Windshield. Windshield. The windshield is very clean today. Light. Light. Turn on the headlight at night. Signal. Signal. Use the signal to turn left. Gear. Gear. Change to the second gear now. Bonnet. Bonnet. Open the bonnet to check water. Glove box. Glove box. Keep the papers in the glove box. Bumper. Bumper. There is a scratch on the bumper. Roof. Roof. This car has a sunroof today. Wheel. Wheel. Hold the steering wheel with both hands. Hubcap. Hubcap. One hubcap is missing from here. Exhaust. Exhaust. Dark smoke comes from the exhaust. Radiator. Radiator. The radiator needs more cool water. Oil. Oil. Check the engine oil level weekly. Fluid. Fluid. Fill the cleaning fluid for glass. Service. Service. The car needs a quick service. Agency. Agency. This agency offers the best prices. Agent. Agent. Speak to the rental agent now. Desk. Desk. Go to the pickup desk, please. Queue. Queue. There is a long queue here. Always read the rental agreement carefully. Look for hidden fees before you sign any document. Receipt. Receipt. Keep your receipt for the payment. Invoice. Invoice. I need an invoice for work. Voucher. Voucher. Show your booking voucher to him. Deposit. Deposit. You must pay a small deposit. Credit. Credit. Use your credit card for safety. Debit. Debit. They do not accept debit cards. Payment. Payment. The payment was successful today. Cash. Cash. Can I pay with cash now? B. B. There is an extra cleaning fee. Tax. Tax. The price includes the local tax. Mileage. Mileage. This car has unlimited mileage. Limit. Limit. Observe the local speed limit. Toll. Toll. Pay the toll for the bridge. 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 Drive carefully across the narrow bridge. Tunnel. Tunnel. Turn on lights inside the tunnel. Highway. Highway. The highway is very busy today. Lane. Lane. Stay in the right lane, please. Curb. Curb. Do not hit the stone curb. Parking. Parking. Where is the nearest parking lot? Sign. Sign. Follow the blue traffic sign. Before driving away, take photos of the car from every angle. This proves the car's condition when you started. Map. Map. Open the paper map for help. Traffic. Traffic. There is heavy traffic in town. Speed. Speed. Slow down your driving speed now. Camera. Camera. Watch out for the speed camera. Fine. Fine. I got a parking fine today. Ticket. Ticket. Pay the traffic ticket online. Policy. Policy. What is your fuel return policy? Coverage. Coverage. We offer full damage coverage here. Waiver. Waiver. Sign the collision damage waiver now. Theft. Theft. The insurance protects against theft. Collision. Collision. They had a minor collision today. Damage. Damage. Note every damage on the form. Scratch. Scratch. There is a scratch on the door. Dent. Dent. The car has a small dent. Flat. Flat. I have a flat tire now. Breakdown. Breakdown. Call the breakdown service for help. Tow. Tow. They will tow the car away. Repair. Repair. The car is at the repair shop. Mechanic. Mechanic. The mechanic fixed the engine quickly. Tools. Tools. Are there any tools in here? Jack. Jack. Use the jack to lift it. Wrench. Wrench. Hand me the wheel wrench, please. Warning. Warning. The warning light is red now. Triangle. Triangle. Put the warning triangle on road. Vest. Vest. Wear the yellow safety vest now. Return the car with a full tank of fuel. Rental companies usually charge double if they have to refill it for you. Kit. Kit. Where is the first aid kit? Phone. Phone. Connect your phone to the car. Charger. Charger. Use the USB charger for mobile. Cable. Cable. I need a charging cable here. Holder. Holder. Put the phone in the holder. Radio. Radio. Turn up the radio volume, please. Bluetooth. Bluetooth. Switch on the Bluetooth system now. Speaker. Speaker. The car has 6 loudspeakers. Volume. Volume. Turn down the music volume now. AK. AK. The AC is very cold today. Now you're ready to hit the road. Which of these words was new for you? Tell me in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more. Safe travels.